Okay, this is my potter's journal. Did you ever wonder how they make wreaths? Well, this is how it's done. First you have to get the greens. So, wreath making, all about laying waste to the forest. Okay, before you get the wrong idea, these are overhanging my vegetable garden, so I needed to get the sun on it. They're planted in the 70s, so they've actually almost seen their lifespan. I also maintain a 2 to 3 acre greens orchard where I harvest from the same trees year after year. They've actually taken on the form of bushes over time. Okay.
Yeah, I finally got you where you can.
Okay, so we'll get this stuff loaded in the truck and back to the barn. Okay, this is what we want. And these branches are cut off the tree one at a time. After you fill up enough crates to fill the truck. Okay, it is time to start making the wreaths. Is this crazy or what? Okay, 5 and 10. I can show you some of the tools we make these with. Tools, well, you saw the chainsaw. I make them on these rings. These rings that I close, you can close the clamps with a hammer. I have a foot-operated pedal to do that, and you saw the pruners. Tools, okay, tools. This is how it's done. This is how it's really done. Okay, 15 and 20. I can show a little bit about how we put them together. Okay, this is a 10-inch frame. We are putting roughly about, this is how wreaths are really made, 3 to 5 branches in each clip. It's called a wreath machine, but it just operates with my foot, so what kind of machine is that? I'm the machine here. So this isn't Pinecone Studio videos. This is, we've got to do this job and get it done. So there's 10 clips in this frame. We put 5 branches in each clip. You do the math, how many branches we got to touch and do to do all this. Remember, we had to cut it off the tree, we had to cut the tree down. Is this mad or what? The truth is, there is a lot of work that goes into these things. And this is really going faster than it normally does for me because I have pre-arranged these in bunches. Often I would select them one at a time and go through them to put them in here, but some of the branches I harvest even they're growing along the woods, so there's maple leaves in them, and I've got to pick those out. Okay, is this mad or what? And I never prearrange the branches. Some people will work in a team, and that really makes it fast. If one person arranges the branches and the next feeds them, and the next one just puts them in the clamp. Okay, so these are also all hit in 2 clamps. So I just slid this back under the first one, and now the first one I only closed halfway, so now I have to try to close it without being able to see. And there we go, another one. Okay, another 10, this time all in one arm. Do you want to see how we do the bows? And there's a machine there that wraps the bows, but they're really all fluffed out by hand, so I'd hardly call it a machine. And I doubt anybody would really think about putting the bows on as a job. But even that's a job. Hopefully we can find a spot that is a little thinner, or it might look like there's an empty spot, or there's a branch sticking out. Okay. Loops to the side, tails down. Okay. But when you're doing 200, it's a job. So they're pre-made, wire on the back. Take it around both sides. Don't let go. I think I let go that time. How could that happen? We'll have to take it round again. Okay, give it 3 good turns, so at least 3 good turns, so if there's a blizzard, okay, the bow doesn't go flying off. The loops to the sides, tails down. Okay, you think you can watch me do 200. So there's a stack of 10, there's another one, 20, 30, and we have got crates of greens here waiting for the next batch. And what people really don't think about, the huge amount of greens you go through to make these things. Okay, we got another 4 crates of them stacked up. So what? You think I just keep carrying the same 10 out the door? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We got the first 100, 10, 20, 30, and I'll take 40 from the retail. We still got 60 more to go. And there we go, 200 of them as far as the eye can see. Okay, and we will give them one more count to make sure they're all here. In this first block, we've got a row of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And in the next block, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And the final 60, 70, 80, 90. 200. Okay, Ralph, come on, let's go. Let's go for a walk. Okay, and this is not done yet. We still have to load them and deliver. And last night we were up late stacking them in stacks of 5 and loading the truck. But 200 wouldn't fit in here. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, we've got 20 back here yet. Okay, getting an early start today. Okay, and they are delivered to the veterans group. Their volunteers will be here tomorrow to place them. Now, hopefully, I'll get paid for this.